of you have already made some resolutions or you're planning to make some resolutions to make this year even more productive, even more better? You want to achieve so much in your life and you feel 2025 is my year. How many of you are feeling that, right? हमें लगता है कि जब एक पुराना साल खत्म होता है और नया साल शुरू होता है, whenever a new year is about to begin, हमें अपने अंदर ना एक अजीब सी एनर्जी महसूस होती है. हमें लगता है कि यार वी विल टेक ऑन द वर्ल्ड इन दिस ईयर, वी विल डू दिस एंड वी विल डू दैट, आई एम गोना गिव अप दिस, आई एम गोना गिव अप स्मोकिंग, आई विल गिव अप ड्रिंकिंग, आई विल लीड अ वेरी हेल्दी लाइफ, आई विल स्टार्ट ईटिंग सम हेल्दी फूड, आई विल टेक अप एन ऑनलाइन कोर्स, I will manage my finances very well, I will devote my time in a more productive manner, और हम blah 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 अपने resolutions बनाते हैं. पर जैसे ही ये साल शुरू होता है, साल का पहला दिन, हम क्या अपने resolutions पे टिके होते हैं उस पहले दिन? क्योंकि हम 31 दिसंबर की रात को हम पार्टी करते हैं, राइट? हम लोग अगले दिन वी वेक अप विद अ हैंगओवर और अ हेडेक, और या हमने पहला पूरा फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द मंथ, हमने 1 जनवरी पूरा आधा दिन हमने सो के गुजार दिया. फिर हम लेजी हो गए कि यार लास्ट नाइट बहुत पार्टी थी, मैं थक गया या थक गई और मैं घर पे आज खाना नहीं बनाना चाहती हूँ, सो विल ऑर्डर सम फूड. तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम बाहर से खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं. फिर हम फोन पे लोगों से बात करते हैं. वी डिवोट द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे विशिंग पीपल अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. हम अपने ऑनलाइन मैसेजेस चेक करते हैं, वी गो ऑन फेसबुक, वी गो ऑन इंस्टा कि बाकी लोगों ने क्या क्या पोस्ट किया है फर्स्ट डे पे. हाउ डिड ऑल द फिल्म स्टार्स एंड ऑल द बिजनेस टाइकून्स, हाउ डिड दे स्पेंड द न्यू ईयर? वी आर सो क्यूरियस अबाउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन अदर पीपल्स लाइव्स ऑल्सो. पर हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमने जो रेजोल्यूशंस बनाए हैं या जो हम बनाना चाहते हैं, तो हम 1 जन को भी ना बहुत उस मोड में होते हैं कि चलो हम ये साल में, अब ये महीना शुरू हुआ है, ये एक ब्रांड न्यू मंथ शुरू हुआ है, तो आई हैव टू नाउ डू समथिंग नाइस हियर. आई हैव टू ब्रिंग माय लाइफ ऑन ट्रैक. यू नो, लास्ट ईयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपेंड. it didn't go the way I anticipated कि 2024 जैसा जाना चाहिए था मेरे लिए, वो वैसा नहीं गया. पर मैं चाहूंगी कि मेरा 2025 मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट ईयर ऑफ माई लाइफ हो, राइट? हम में से कितने लोग इस डायरेक्शन में सोचते हैं, राइट? मेनी ऑफ यू अपने आप से सच बोलो और पूछो कि क्या हम रेजोल्यूशंस बना के उन पे टिके रहते हैं? हम नहीं टिके रहते. मैं अपनी बात करती हूँ, मतलब मैंने अभी इस साल का 2025 का अभी तक कोई रेजोल्यूशन नहीं बनाया है. ऑल्दो मैं सोच रही हूं that there are some positive changes that I want to bring into my life. I want to become even more healthier in terms of my eating habits. I want to start like a good healthy routine when I wake up in the morning as well, which I do currently also, but I would like to even more concentrate on starting my day in a healthy way and ending my day also in a very healthy manner. And I want to sleep on time and not waste too much of time on my phone. I want to connect with people one-on-one rather than online, right? So there are many things that I want to do in my life, but अभी मैंने ऐसा, I won't say कि मैंने कोई resolutions बना लिए, but I am sure आप में से बहुत लोग भी इसी direction में सोच रहे होंगे कि मुझे अपने resolutions बनाने हैं. पर धीरे धीरे क्या होता है कि हम resolutions बनाते हैं. मेरे साथ ये पहले बहुत होता था कि resolution बनाए और पहले ही महीने में या maybe the second or third month all my resolutions are like gone. They are not even visible to me anymore because I've got so engrossed into my day-to-day running and meeting my targets, meeting deadlines, and मैं इतना ज़्यादा मसरूफ हो गई अपनी लाइफ में कि मैंने वो रेजोल्यूशंस को कहीं ना कहीं एक बैक सीट पे रख दिया, राइट? मैंने उनके बारे में सोचना ही बंद कर दिया. सो एवरी ईयर स्टार्ट्स विद अ बिग बैंग, पर वो बैंग की आवाज हमें सिर्फ कुछ दिनों तक सुनाई देती है. उसके बाद वी गेट सो बिजी विद आवर डे टू डे लाइव्स दैट वी स्टॉप फोकसिंग ऑन कि मेरे इस साल का पर्पस क्या है, मेरे इस महीने का पर्पस क्या है, मैं आज क्या करना चाहती हूं या करना चाहता हूं. वी एक्चुअली don't give a thought to it. We don't want to give a thought to it. या हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है इस बारे में सोचने के लिए. As I grew up in my life, I saw somewhere an ad, slogan बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था, which was जागो ग्राहक जागो. मतलब ये सब चीजें हमें याद दिलाती हैं that we need to wake up. wake up from the deep sleep that we are in. We have to wake up from that sleep. क्योंकि पहले हमारे पास बहुत टाइम होता था, हम लोग आपस में लोगों से बातचीत करते थे. We used to get to know what's happening around the world. रेडियो पे सुनते थे, टीवी पे देखते थे और आपस में लोग हमसे शेयर करते थे what's happening around the world. But then पहले जब फोन चालू हुए तो पहले का फोन बहुत छोटा होता था, राइट, जिसमें आप सिर्फ जो नंबर डायल कर रहे हो वो एक छोटी सी स्क्रीन पे नजर आता था. आप किसी को मैसेज भी भेज रहे हो तो जो आप टाइप कर रहे हो बस वही एक मतलब कैरेक्टर लिमिट या वर्ड लिमिट होती थी कि आप उतने ही लेंथ का एक मैसेज किसी को भेज सकते हो, राइट. फिर वो फोन्स चेंज हुए, स्मार्टफोन्स, एवोल्यूशन हैपेंड, डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजीज केम इन, दिस ऑनलाइन एरा और द डिजिटल एरा स्टार्टेड. एंड उसके साथ क्या हुआ, वी बेनिफिटेड अ लॉट ऑल्सो फ्रॉम इट, बट इट took away a lot from our lives also. क्योंकि स्मार्टफोन अपने साथ साथ भरमार बहुत दरवाजे खोल दिए होते, इतने सारे एप्लीकेशंस के, इतने सारे एप्स हमने डाउनलोड करके रख लिए अपने फोन में कि हमारे फोन को हमें मैनेज करने में भी टाइम लगता है. कि हम कोई ऐप ढूंढ रहे हैं उसमें भी हम टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं और हमने इतना ज्यादा अपनी लाइफ को अपने फोन के इर्द गिर्द कर लिया है. वीव गॉन इनटू द टेम्पटेशन जोन ऑफ कि यार वो ऐप किसी ने रिकमेंड किया, आई विल आल्सो डाउनलोड दैट ऐप. वो कोई एक नोटिफिकेशन टिंग आवाज आ गई या व्हाट्सएप पे कोई मैसेज का आपने, क्योंकि नोटिफिकेशंस आपने बंद नहीं करी हैं, यू हैव नॉट स्विच्ड ऑफ योर नोटिफिकेशंस, तो जैसे ही हमें वो टिंग मैसेज आता है, चाहे वो एक ईमेल हो, चाहे वो एक फेसबुक का मैसेज हो, चाहे आपके पास व्हाट्सएप का कोई चैट मैसेज हो, आपको वो टिंग सुनते ही ना आपको टेम्पटेशन होती है कि मुझे अपना फोन उठाना है. सो टेम्पटेशन जो पूरी हमारी लाइफ की जो फसाद की जड़ बन गया है ना, द रूट कॉज ऑफ ऑल आवर प्रॉब्लम्स हैज बिकम आवर ओन फोन. A phone that we should have taken as our friend and we should have governed, like हमें फोन को मतलब रूल करना चाहिए कि what I want to download and what I want to see and what I want to read and how it's helping me, because at the end of the day ये एक टेक्नोलॉजी है, राइट. हमें ये टेक्नोलॉजी को अपने बेनिफिट के लिए यूज करना है, पर क्या हम कर रहे हैं? नहीं, हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमने फोन को अपने आप को पूरा समर्पित कर दिया है. we've given to the temptations that the phone is giving to us. We really want to be, हमारा फोन हमारे हाथ में होना चाहिए या हमारे पर्स में होना चाहिए या हमारे one arm distance पे होना चाहिए. We don't even want to go and rush to the other room to pick up the phone. हम जहां जाएंगे ना हमारा फोन हमारे साथ जाएगा. We are going for a morning walk, we'll carry the phone with us. We are sleeping, the phone is by our bedside. We are maybe going to the washroom. Some people even take their phones when they're going in for a shower. Can you beat it? मतलब हमने अपनी लाइफ को इतना इन्वॉल्व कर दिया है with just the phone. It's become like the main hero of our lives. And that is not a good thing. I realize this because I remember मैं जब रात में पहले सोने से पहले ना मैं फोन पे रील्स चेक कर रही हूँ, like 1-1.5 घंटा मेरा फोन पे निकल जाता था. और अगर कोई रील्स नहीं भी चेक कर रही हो ना, I'll go on Amazon, I'll check what is the latest clothes come in or any jewelry or any gadgets coming in. I don't want to buy them, but I'm just curious and I'm just putting everything in the cart. पहले तो मैं खरीद लेती थी and then later on I used to cancel it, but now I've started putting everything in the cart. तो आज भी अगर मैं चेक करूँ ना मेरे कार्ट में there are so many items there which I don't want to buy, but उस समय अच्छी लगती है, कभी ना कभी तो लाइफ में जरूरत होगी ना उसकी, तो उस चक्कर में ना पूरा कार्ट मेरा भरा हुआ है. तो हम लोगों ने अपनी लाइफ को इतना ज्यादा फोन और टेक्नोलॉजी में इन्वॉल्व कर लिया है that we've forgotten what is our passion, what is our purpose, what do we want to achieve and what do we want to do in our lives. So today I want to dedicate this entire episode into some realizations so that we take the right decision this year to make some good change, so that we are able to bring some positive change into our lives. And so I want to say Jago grahak jago. So jago user jago, because you are using your phones, right? Every new year, somebody's bought a new phone, so you get tempted and you say, okay fine, मुझे भी अपने फोन को अपग्रेड करना है. पहले जब वो छोटे फोन आते थे, लोग उसी फोन को 6 साल 7 साल यूज करते थे. टुडे ऑनेस्टली टेल मी, हाउ मेनी पीपल इन योर सर्कल जो अपने फोन को 5-6 साल या 7 साल या 10 साल यूज कर रहे हैं. आई हैव यूज्ड माई फोन. मेरा जो लास्ट फोन था, जो मैंने पहले सैमसंग का मेरा एक फोन था, दैट आई यूज फॉर गुड 6-7 years. एंड देन बिकॉज एवरीबडी वाज स्विचिंग टू आईफोन्स, तो मैंने भी आईफोन पे स्विच किया. Then I was there on iPhone, but every phone of mine was there with me for minimum 5-6 years. मतलब मैं उससे पहले फोन को चेंज ही नहीं करती थी, no matter उसका Pro Max वर्जन आ गया, उसका 11, 12, 14, 16 जो भी वर्जन्स आए, I never changed my phone because I used to feel कि whatever purpose my phone is giving me, this phone is fine for me. I don't want to keep spending loads of money just to tell people that I've bought this phone. But many people do that. You give in to the temptation कि यार उसका Pro Max version आ गया, उसने खरीद लिया, उसका एक flip version आ गया, उसका सामने का flip या notebook version आ गया. So we all get very into it कि भाई मेरा पर्पस लाइफ का क्या है वो पीछे रह जाता है, पर मेरे को ये फोन अपग्रेड करना है ये सामने रह जाता है हमारा. और फिर हम उस दौड़ में चले जाते हैं कि व्हेन विल आई चेंज दिस फोन, व्हेन विल आई अपग्रेड दिस फोन, राइट? सो जैसे जैसे हमारा फोन अपग्रेड होता है, जैसे जैसे हमारी एप्लीकेशंस अपडेट होती है और अपग्रेड होती हैं, हम न्यू एप्लीकेशंस को अपने फोन में लेकर आते हैं और पुराने एप्लीकेशंस को हम डिलीट भी करना भूल जाते हैं. पर वैसे क्या हम अपनी लाइफ को, आर वी अपडेटिंग आवर लाइफ? Are we upgrading our life? Are we upgrading our learning? सोचने की बात है. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonia, your host and companion on Thinking Thursdays, short and sweet. Instead of Thinking Out Loud Thursdays, I've made it Thinking Thursdays. Right, so today, let's talk about the biggest temptation of our life. Let's not have this temptation eat away this beautiful 2025. वरना क्या फर्क रह जाएगा? Then this year is going to be as 2024, as 2023, or even the coming years. It'll be just another year that is come into our lives. There'll be no big change that will happen. Kyunki believe me, if we do not take care of this temptation that we have in our lives, then we will lose a lot of our precious time. It's our life, it's our time. One resolution that I'm going to be making is that when I'm meeting people, I'm going to keep my phone aside when I'm talking to them. I will focus more on creating live memories than selfie memories. Kyunki, we go to parties, we go meet people. आइडिया क्या होता है? you're meeting your friends for a coffee, you're meeting there is a reunion happening, और 3-4 friends अपनी families के साथ, बीवी बच्चे सब इकट्ठे मिलके, you do a potluck lunch together or you go for a brunch somewhere. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आप शुरू में हाय हेलो हाउ आर यू, क्या करते हो, वो कर लिया. उसके बाद सब अपना फोन निकाल के या तो मैसेजेस चेक करते हैं या बोलते हैं यार चलो ना लेट्स हैव सम पिक्चर्स टुगेदर. और वो पिक्चर्स में मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ आवर टाइम गोज इनटू क्लिकिंग ईदर सेल्फीज or photographs together. We stop connecting with the other person on a heart to heart level, right? हम भूल जाते हैं कि कि फोन में मेमोरीज कलेक्ट करने से बेटर है collecting these real life memories that you can make for yourself. Because it's your life. Does it matter to you or not? So इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूं कि जागो यूजर जागो, जागते रहो और ये सब सुनने से अपने आप को भी जगाओ. You need to wake up yourself, and if you don't wake up in 2025, then this is going to be a simple plain year कि आप मॉर्निंग में उठे, आपको जो वॉक पे जाना आप वॉक पे गए, आप तैयार होके ऑफिस गए, आपने ऑफिस का काम किया, शाम को आकर आपने अपनी फैमिली के साथ ऑफिस की बिचिंग करी कि आज मेरे बॉस ने ये कहा, आज मेरे कुलीग ने ये मेरे साथ किया, ये गलत हुआ, वो गलत हुआ. आपने बिचिंग अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ व्हाट्सएप पे कर ली और फिर आप सो गए. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग सेम रूटीन. आपको अपनी लाइफ में इस साल क्या करना है आप उस पर सोचना ही नहीं चाहते हो. बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन ना, दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, सोचना पड़ेगा. वील हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट, और वो हम सोचना नहीं चाहते हैं. बट लेट मी टेल यू, 2025 is a buzzing year with lot of opportunities around you. On one side, where AI, the artificial intelligence, is some way helping in our careers, in our personal lives also. It's giving us some meaning in terms of how we can do things in a very different manner. So we're getting to know the artificial intelligence, which is another aspect which is getting added into our lives. But do not let AI drive you completely. Use that as a tool. Don't get trapped by these tools, because as much as that they're adding into your lives, they're also subtracting a lot of things from your life. Amidst all of these opportunities to grow, thrive, create, you find yourself most of the time scrolling through reels, scrolling some videos, checking out what other people are doing in their lives. So instead of focusing on what truly matters to you, you are focusing on what's happening in other people's life. एंड यू वेरी हैप्पी विद इट. हाँ, आपने वहां पे किसी फिल्म स्टार की कोई रील देख ली कि वो अपने बच्चों के साथ किसी हॉलिडे पे जा रहे हैं, उन्होंने क्या पहना है, कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं. आप वी गेट वेरी एक्साइटेड बाय वाचिंग दीज वीडियोज. But they went on a holiday, or they went to a fashion show, or they have achieved this promotion in their life. But what about you? फाइन, यू वॉन्ट टू चेक आउट दैट. अपना एक टाइम टेबल बनाओ ना कि आप दिन में, इन अ डे यू विल ओनली स्पेंड दिस मच टाइम लुकिंग थ्रू ऑल द अदर इंफॉर्मेशन which is not adding any value to your life. Whenever now in this year you're going to pick up your phone, always ask yourself, when I'm going through this, is it adding value to me? Is it making any positive difference in my life? If the answer is no, keep your phone back. Don't look at your phone. We believe that if phone is not around us, we feel our life is gone. How will I call people? पहले लोगों को phone numbers लोगों की याद होते थे. How many of you actually remember the phone numbers of your friends, your family members, your cousins? We don't remember क्योंकि हमने वो save कर लिया है. पहले हमें याद होते थे. I used to remember my father's, mother's, my sister's, my cousins' phone numbers by heart. I used to remember. But now I don't remember क्योंकि हमने वो save करके we just message. Today we even wish people birthdays over just, either we wish them online, on Facebook, Insta पे wish कर दिया, or we just send them a WhatsApp message saying that, happy birthday. Today's smiles and laughters and our emotions have been replaced by online emojis. We say thumbs up, we give a smile, we send a heart, and all of this we do because कितना टाइम लगता है यार, पिक अप अ फोन एंड टॉक टू द अदर पर्सन, हैप्पी बर्थडे और हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी और कंग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन दिस गुड न्यूज. पर इंस्टेड व्हाट वी प्रेफर डूइंग इज that we send them a message, because we are shying away from that real connection that we want to establish with the other person. I still remember when we were kids, our parents used to take us for picnics. Now in those picnics we used to have our cousins and my chacha, taya, nana, nani and all of those relatives. We used to do these picnics very very frequently. So it used to be more like potluck कि किसी ने राजमा चावल बना लिए, किसी ने कड़ी बना ली, किसी ने दही भल्ले बना लिए और सैलेड बना लिया और कुछ मीठा बना लिया. सो एंड वो एक सुराही होती थी, वो मिट्टी का वो घड़ा टाइप का जिसमें हम पानी भी लेके जाते थे, और सब गाड़ी में बैठ के वी यूज्ड टू गो टू इंडिया गेट, वहां चदरे बिछा के, एंड वी यूज्ड टू कैरी आवर गेम्स आल्सो लाइक लूडो एंड सांप सीढ़ी एंड बैडमिंटन रैकेट्स एंड फ्रिस्बीज एंड ऑल. सो that was a good like a gathering that used to happen where real connections were made कि हम अपने relatives से catch up कर रहे हैं. So the ladies are talking their own thing, the gents are busy playing maybe cards or some other game, and the kids are playing in their own, and it used to be really nice meeting up with everybody every now and then. Today if you ask your cousins and your friends and other people, how many times have they taken their kids for picnics? टाइम नहीं है आज किसी के पास. nobody has the time. और अगर टाइम है भी तो हम अपने फोन को देना पसंद करते हैं वो टाइम, rather than going and meeting people over coffee and people over lunch and getting engrossed with real conversations with people. क्योंकि आज हम real meetings की जगह we prefer doing like a video call with people. We would like to meet people on a video and say, hi, how are you? Do your conversations. But is that the same feel you get when you meet people like face to face, give them a hug, do a handshake, and every now and then pat on their backs and literally hear people laughing, closely observe their facial expressions and their emojis, like the emojis that you send online, you can actually see them face to face. So like laughters have been replaced by emojis, similarly talking has been replaced by chatting. We prefer chatting, and that's what is all, who's the culprit for it? Our phone. Who else can we blame? Because we've only given that right to our phone to make our lives so much easier, but at the same time, that human element is, going away from our lives. We are scared now. We feel very uncomfortable picking up a phone and talking to people. If a friend is organizing a reunion or they're organizing a dinner party, sometimes we say, no, yaar, I'm very cozy. I'll give you a call. We'll meet up some other time. So we're shying away from these face-to-face meetings. It's now the time. Make this 2025 a year where you will invest time in making real connections. You will know what is the purpose of your life. What do you want to do this year? What do you want to focus on? So now if I ask you, what do you want to focus this year? What is your focus for this year 2025? You will take some time to think. Because you don't know what is your focus or what is the purpose. Do you want to focus on your career? Do you want to, make yourself eligible for a promotion? Do you want to manage your finances properly? Do you want to travel a lot this year? Do you want to meet all your friends that you haven't met in last couple of years? Do you want to make that agenda that every month I'm going to be meeting up with all my old friends that I've not spent time with? Or do you want to give enough time to your family or whatever? And all this you can do by bringing a little discipline in your life. Treat your phone as a tool, as an instrument. Don't let this instrument trap you into various applications, happy faces, So even if you want to devote time, make some time in a day where you can check all those reels. And I'm not saying our life is going to be there's a lot going to be missing if you're not on social media, right? So I'm not saying that you vanish from social media, but yes, limit your screen time, limit your time that you're devoting to all these platforms. And yes, one thing, a must that you need to do is turn on all your notifications on your phone, because ये notification सबसे बड़ी फसाद की जड़ है. एक टिंग आवाज आती है और फिर आप कहीं पर भी होते हो, किसी भी सोच में होते हो, you're in some deep thought, suddenly that ting noise comes and you're distracted, and then you go check the message, and then for you to bring that focus back into what you were actually thinking and what you were planning to do, you take a lot of time to bring that focus back, because where you left very drastically from that thought. And then to bring back your mind and your energies into that entire thought, that what I was thinking, it takes you a lot of time and you're wasting that time to bring back your focus there. Turn off all your notifications. I turned off all my phone notifications like 2 years back. 2-3 साल हो गए मेरे फोन में किसी चीज का कोई नोटिफिकेशन नहीं है. So I don't get that ting message in my phone at all. And I've actually reduced now taking too many selfies. I take selfies of my own self and my brother whenever we are like even sitting at home and all. We don't need to create selfies only when I'm going out. But yes, once in a while, where me and my brother are sitting and watching TV or something, and I find, this is a great moment I want to capture. So I just take 1 or 2 selfies. But when I'm going out with my friends and I'm meeting my family, I don't invest too much time into, clicking a lot of pictures. ठीक है, 5 मिनट में जितने poses मारने हैं मार लो, pictures click कर लो. उसके बाद I'd like to just, talk to people, get to know them, what's happening in their life, what's happening in my life, enjoy whatever meal that you're having with them. Because today families, whenever they're sitting even on the dining table, each one, हर बच्चे के पास फोन है, पेरेंट्स के पास अपना अपना फोन है, so they are checking something or the other and they're eating. पहले ये होता था that the whole family is sitting and eating and they're chit chatting, how their day went, kya hua aaj office mein. The wife would say this has happened at home, the kids would say this has happened in school. That was the bonding time for families, also the meal time. Today, everybody's on their phone, or you're watching TV and having your meal, so they're not real, talking happening. Real conversations are missing, even from everybody's life, in terms of whether you are a son, a daughter, a husband, a wife, or whatever. So you're not actually giving your family also that time that is required, because we are so much into our phones only. Please turn off your notifications. Keep your phone free from any unwanted applications that you've not used for last couple of months. So decide that, if for the last 6 months you've not used an application, delete that application or uninstall that application from your phone right away. So that in 2025, you know that, okay, fine, ये application मैंने तब नहीं use किया, तो अब क्या करूँगी? So free your phone from any unwanted applications. Limit your screen time or your watch time, the time that you're giving your phone in terms of unwanted scrolling that you're doing. Okay, you're using that time to entertain yourself, but you cannot keep entertained. That cannot become like an addiction. Ek reel, second reel, third reel, fourth reel. You're going on, and suddenly 1 ghanta nikal gaya, 2 ghante nikal gaye, right? That is wasting of your time. So if you want to devote time into, your social media and all the others, then block a time. Ki bhai din mein, okay, fine. After lunch, half an hour. After dinner, half an hour. Or before dinner, half an hour, whatever. So you will spend time. That's your free time, your entertaining time, whatever. Other than that, even if you don't have anything to do at home or in the office, just keep your phone aside, just close your eyes, just observe what you're doing. Or kuch nahi to yaar, just enjoy the nature outside. Or just go talk to a colleague, or just give a call to somebody and then make some real conversation with somebody. And lastly, please focus on what truly matters to you. In the year 2025, what is it that will matter to you? Where do you want to focus your energies on? Do you want to focus on watching other people's best moments and best life? How are they leading their lives? What are the clothes that they're wearing? What is the jewelry that they're wearing? Which holiday that they went? So do you want to spend time watching other people's best life? Or do you want to focus on building your best life? Choice is yours. I know it won't be easy. I know it won't be easy at all for you to bring this entire change. But if you do not bring this change, then 2025 will be just any other year, like I mentioned. So make this as your new normal of 2025. Use your phone like a tool, and don't get trapped into it. Don't be bound by all these distractions that your phone is throwing at you, right? All these applications and all. So don't get distracted by all these distractions that are coming to you. If you want your 2025 to be fulfilling, then get real and don't get reeled. It's a chance to break free from the past and live your present. Reconnect with yourself. Reconnect with your family, your friends, your colleagues, your mentors, people in the professional circle. Reconnect with them. And mostly, reconnect with your dreams, your passions, your hobbies. So जागो अपने ही सपनों के लिए. जागो, देखो, सीखो और बदलो खुद को. Which means wake up, see, understand, change your life. Change and find yourself. Live your life to the fullest in the year 2025. I wrote a small poem which I want to share with you before I end this episode. It goes, lost in the scroll, a soul confined, by notification a constant chime, forgetting dreams and wasting time. But a whisper stirs, a gentle nudge, to break free from this digital sludge, to unplug, unwind, and truly see the essence within, wild and free. Reconnect with life, with passion, ignite the spark, let your soul soar, leave its mark, challenge the doubts, the fears within, embrace the change where growth can begin, rediscover yourself, sun and rain, live with the purpose, joy and grace. This is your life, find your rightful place. So these are my last words. I really hope that you found value in this episode and make this 2025 a remarkable year for yourself. Bring some positive changes and make resolutions only if you can keep them, right? So I'm going to really think twice if I want to keep any resolutions. Yes. So on that note, we come to the end of our episode. I really hope that you liked this episode. And if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, and share this video with all your friends and colleagues. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be sharing a lot more meaningful episodes for all of you. So do hit the subscribe button. You can choose to turn on your notification bell, or you can even turn off your notification bell, because every Thursday I bring a new episode. So even if you don't want to turn on your notification bell, because I just said that turn off your notifications. Yes, you can just turn off your notification. But every Thursday, whenever you're keeping that spare time where you will be doing online, scrolling and all. So every Thursday you can tune into my channel and you can see what is the latest video. So every Thursday evening, I upload my fresh video. So have a great year, everyone, and have a great day. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.